What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Accra, Ghana. Just came home from the market. I posted some photos if you want to check it out. There was this mama and she's like, "White man, come here." So I come over and she's like, "Hold my child." I'm like, "Okay." So I hold her child and she's like, "Take picture, take picture." I'm like, "Okay." No problem. So I posted the photo on IG and some photos from the market if you want to check it out. But we're gonna go over Bitcoin, guys. The shorts absolutely dropped out right ahead of the Fed meeting here, so we're gonna get into that. We're sitting at 38,901. We're down about 0.64 on the day. We're sitting a market cap of 732 billion. 24-hour volume is 24.31 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So Bitcoin price sticks to 38K ahead of Federal Reserve rate hike. Bitcoin held at around 38,000 on Tuesday, with most major cryptocurrencies seeing little movement as caution kicked in ahead of two-day U.S. Federal Reserve meeting. The central bank is widely expected to hike interest rates, marking an end to an easy monetary policy that has boosted crypto assets through 2021. So we're gonna hop over straight into the short positions. You can see they have completely fallen out of the market. So maybe the whales, they know something we don't, a little bit of insider trading. Maybe the rate hike isn't going to be that bad and the markets are going to recover, because we saw those shorts pump up really quickly over the weekend, and now they've completely dropped out, with the longs continuing to increase here. So I think that's something important to keep an eye on. We can see on the chart, guys, we saw a little bit of a push up almost to 40K, and then it dropped right back down. So maybe a few of those short positions got liquidated, but for the shorts just to completely fall out of the market like that kind of makes me wonder if the whales know something that we don't, or they're just being cautious before this Federal Reserve news comes out. Now, I don't really like the diamond bottom. It's not my favorite pattern because it can easily be manipulated. Like, you could easily move your trend lines just like this, and you could say that we're still within this diamond pattern. So it's really not the best pattern in my opinion, because it looked like it had broken down right here. It threw right back up, and now we're just continuing to trade sideways. So you could easily just move out your trend lines and say, oh well, look, we're still in this diamond bottom pattern. However, we are continuing to hold the ascending trend line from this ascending triangle, but the more you test support, the more likely you are to fall through. So we've seen this before with Federal Reserve meetings. Everybody is really cautious, and the market really doesn't move until after the news comes out, which is coming out tomorrow. So we may just see this sideways action until we hear the federal news. We see how bad the rate hike is, and then we'll see a bigger move for Bitcoin. If we look at the daily chart, we're still underneath the golden ratio, continuing to hit it as resistance. And as I mentioned in my previous video, if that continues, we start to roll, you come back down to where you started, 37.2, and we lose that support, you come down to about 34.1. Just a short video today, guys. Really just wanted to show you guys that the shorts dropped right out of the market. So that could be an early signal that we are going to get a move back up here. It just seems a little bit fishy to me that we saw that huge increase and they've completely dropped right back out, and the long positions are continuing to increase. So we just have to be patient and wait for this news to come out. If it's positive and the rate hike is not too bad, we could see a nice push up to 44.6K. But if it's negative, guys, the market gets scared, that's when we could drop down, come down to about 37.2. We lose that level of support. As I've been mentioning, we have this large trend line. Let me quickly pop it over to the daily. We had support here, support right here. It's been respecting this trend line, so that's coming in at about 35.9K. And that's pretty much your last leg of support. And if we lose that, we can easily come down to about 30.7K. So just a quick little update, as the price action really hasn't moved too much here. Just wanted to make you guys aware of those short positions. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel. And as well as buy and take profit zones. Wow, it's running a little bit slow today. Let me see the buy and take profit zones. All right, gang, it looks like my internet connection has cut out momentarily, so I'll end the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. Take care and see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.